costume from Kanyakumari. He doesn't even know I stole the photographs from the house.
अभी तक बीमार है।
No relation with the sandalwood guy Veerappan, yeah. But in case if he hadn't been a doctor, maybe he would have thought about any other options. Settling for in the jungle. Now people say that he's a very good doctor, but I'll let you decide for yourself. Yeah, I don't know whatever he's dissecting there. Doesn't look like a pretty picture. That is just a family picture of Girish with his brother and his first cousin. That is Girish and his brother's wedding. He's a very social guy, as you all know, and he's a family guy, stays close to his family. Yeah. That's Girish's dad. I want to say something else. Yeah, when my dad picked Girish, he said, "Oh, he is the right guy for you now on this moment." We are really thinking about our respective dads. We lost them last year, so but still, wherever my dad is, I'm sure he's really proud of what Girish is today and what we are now. Now, a few more friends. He's a very popular guy, so that says that he's very. He gets friends all along his way, and we are gathered here. That speaks for itself.
Yeah, no girlfriends.
Excuse me, Girish, never had any girlfriend. That's what I was told by my mother-in-law.
No, Priya, you gone wrong.
You've gone horribly wrong.
Horribly wrong there, Priya. I'm telling you.
That's when his hair started falling, yeah?
नहीं, अभी भी है।
Age has nothing to do with it. Age has nothing to do with it. Yes, Girish, memory like an elephant. So I was hoping my Prince Charming will come in the Satkotewala 6 horses, but 200 kilometers was too far for the Ghoda to travel.
See,
so instead he had to settle down with a bus. That is his start of trip before we got married.
You see, still he has the hairs here.
Little bit, but the recession had started at that time, you know.
Plenty of hair.
Oh, yes.
Even the day I met him, the recession had started.
Oh.
Not the cause as everybody claims.
Yeah, recession has started, but for him.
Forever.
Amman, whose side are you?
Maybe forever. Oh, who's this girl?
It's a very special picture which I shared because that was the second day of marriage. I was first invited to his place.
Oh,
so sad.
Who looks so sad? It's me who is sad there. Thanks, Mr. Anil, for pointing that out. I'll never forget that. So, now, this is the hidden truth. Girish loves traveling, yeah? So he went to New York twice. So once he took me, the second time, I don't know who he went with.
Oh.
What is the secret, Girish?
I was still trying to find out.
So that was Girish in New York.
Are you still?
Now, I know how difficult it is entering into 40, but I don't want to go deep into it. That's Girish in the Grand Canyon.
सारे उड़ गए देखो ना।
Enjoying the view. Huh?
Just a year away.
Yeah. Oh, 10 more years to go. I won't go near there now, Vijay. Oh, that's our dream house in Thailand. Just needs a finishing touch. Curtains and kitchen and everything. No, only room. Oh, only room. Yeah, for all that. Just have this nature going. Dream house. That is Girish in Egypt. Very dominant guy, yeah, but he doesn't look like it. But I can say,
Is he the same?
he never let me on the camel at all. He sat for himself. That is few more pictures of Girish when we went traveling. picture.
No comment.
And somebody said girlfriends. So he has all the hidden girlfriends behind him. Anyway, that was a short